Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the falling through map issue in Minecraft. This issue usually happens when chunks don't load properly or when there is a lag between your game and server, causing the world data to fail to appear. First, stop moving for a few seconds and then let the world load completely, because unloaded chunks are one of the most common reason for this issue. Next, restart Minecraft and try to rejoin your world or server to refresh the chunk loading. After that, just go ahead and lower your render settings. Just go ahead and go to Options and go to Video Settings. And after that, scroll down and you will see Render Distance. Lower your render distance, since higher render distance can sometimes slow down chunk loading. Next, check your internet connection if you are playing on multiplayer server, because lag can cause missing world data. Then try joining a different server or reload your world to see if the issue is server specific. And also, if you are using any mods or shaders, disable them and temporarily test again. If you are using mods or shader, just go ahead and disable them from the resource pack and then test again, since they can interfere with world loading. So the simple rule is when chunks don't load properly, you can fall through map, and reloading the world usually fixes it. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft falling through map issue by reloading chunks, restarting the game, lowering render distance, and disabling mods. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.